Hello, I'm Luana from help2type. In this tutorial, I will show you how to transfer the new software onto your keyboard. Download the file OTA Upgrade Tool 3.0.apk and install it on your Android smartphone. The app is called RCOTA. Connect your Android device to your computer. Open the provided bin file named help2type_8036.bin. Move the bin file to the Downloads folder on your Android device. Disconnect your Android from the computer. Activate Android mode on your help2type keyboard by setting the switch to the middle position so that it lights up green. Launch the RCOTA app on your Android device. Select the Scan option on the app. Select the keyboard under Paired Devices. Press OTA and upload the new software via the Other Files button. Select the bin file, confirm it with a check mark, and select Partial OTA. You might have to do this process several times. If you see 8036 under Device Version, you have successfully uploaded the software to your keyboard. Have fun typing!